head.
Right there, the orange. That's the head. See, it's curled up in a
Oh,
ball.
dang. I lift up the garbage
Why you do those things?
because I was gonna move it and I was like, what the hell is that? Whoa! Are you gonna kill it or just leave it?
I don't want to kill it.
But where are you gonna put that?
I don't know.
Or gonna go in the house? Who are you gonna call?
I'm not gonna call. You could look it up in the web.
What in the world? There's a snake underneath the trash can. I don't want you to keep bite her.
I don't want to get bit, so if I tell you go inside, you go inside.
Just put it straight.
No.
It's just sleeping.
Yep. Might just scoop it in the trash can.
You're gonna put it in the trash can, and then where you're gonna put it? I put that thing inside right there.
Okay, get ready to run.
I think it's a python. When they pick up the trash. Oh,